Hello, I'm Ken Hay and I'm Saving Sounds, and I'm busy working on some sound tracks for an exhibition in Prague. The sounds are whispered voices in Czech, paranoid slightly, telling of secret desires and fears and hopes, anxieties, and they're going to be played in Prague in an exhibition next week. So we're busy just rehearsing the sounds and recording them and perfecting them. And it will form part of a whispered Zen garden, which will be part of a bigger exhibition called Control Mechanisms in the Novosin Gallery in Prague. We've been working on the project for about a year, and we as Merlin Productions, that's me and Sita A, we've been working together since 1996 on a variety of multimedia projects, art exhibitions, sound projects. This is our latest venture, and we've been working on it for the last year or so. The shippers just came last week to pick up the work, and now we're just finalising the soundtracks for the installation. The Whispered Voices are two Czech artists who we've been working with, and they've recorded the sounds on a visit in Leeds recently. We're now just editing to make the soundtrack for the installation.